What's the best way to spend 24 hours in Santa Cruz?
We're here to find out.
So let's do stuff.
I'm Tara. That's Lucas. We're on a quest for new adventures and great food. Come along with us as we explore our incredible world. Part college town, part surfers enclave, Santa Cruz is a laid-back city at the northern edge of Monterey Bay. Life here centers on art, music, history, nature, and some of the world's best surfing. Santa Cruz is filled with character, passionate about food, and just a little bit counterculture. To start the day, we're here at Verve Coffee. It's a bustling place that focuses on fair trade coffee that enriches the community that grows it. I got a hot latte this morning. We're gonna give it a try. It's a really nice foam on top. Very smooth, very drinkable. That's really good. Really nice coffee flavor, kind of fruity. They also roast their own coffee here, and they have 3 locations here in Santa Cruz. Let's get this day started. Built in 1914, the Santa Cruz Wharf has been a popular tourist attraction for over 100 years. Extending out over half a mile into Monterey Bay, Santa Cruz Wharf is the longest pier on the West Coast. The perfect place for a walk, the wharf also offers snacks, shopping, and even fine dining. Check out some ocean-themed art, and even some local wildlife. Built in 1907 on 24 acres, the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk is California's oldest surviving amusement park and a National Historic Landmark. But the fun has never stopped. It boasts roller coasters, rides, a video arcade, mini golf, laser tag, a historic carousel, and much more.
For brunch today, we stopped at the Walnut Avenue Cafe, and it's a very busy spot. About a 45-minute wait for us. I'm not sure if that's because it's a holiday weekend, it's the 4th of July, or if it's like that every weekend, but plan accordingly. I got the seared ahi benedict, and it was fantastic. 2 perfectly toasted English muffins, seared ahi, poached eggs with the runny yolks, and a rich, creamy hollandaise sauce. It was the epitome of decadent. All right, for round 6 of our epic mini golf tournament, we are here at Buccaneer Bay Mini Golf. Who's gonna win?
Me.
Like you did last time, and the time before, and the time before?
I have to have confidence, you know?
Okay.
What's on the rocket?
We'll see. Let's do it.
And I'll be telling you about the treasure you seek, swabbies. It's been hidden here in Buccaneer Bay.
What, are you trying to win this time?
Sea dogs.
We're through hole number 12. This is a fun course.
Yeah, it's pretty cute. We weren't sure what to think from the website. It didn't look that amazing, but it's really cool.
A lot of animatronic pirates and stuff. The theme is awesome. The holes are actually pretty challenging and fun.
Yeah.
There was that whole blacklight section. But yeah, we're at hole 13 and I'm pretty sure I'm winning. We're gonna have to do the math here in a second.
Yeah.
We got some catching up to do. How'd that go?
You won.
Again.
But only by 4.
It's getting closer this time. Yeah, so that's 5 in a row for me. 1 for you.
That was fun though.
It was a lot of fun. That was a really fun course. I had very low expectations based on pictures.
Yeah, it was real cool though.
It was really well done.
Yeah, definitely a Pirates of the Caribbean vibe with a lot of different things.
Yeah.
They did a good job.
All right, our next stop is a mystery. Oh, mystery. If what we said at the golf didn't give it away already, yeah, we're at the mystery spot. Neither of us have been, I don't think.
But growing up in SoCal, you see stickers on people's cars all the time.
The ubiquitous mystery spot sticker. I had no idea what it was, and we were just like, well, let's go check it out.
Check it out, yeah.
So you're coming along with us for the first time. We have no idea what to expect. So let's go.
In the middle, perfect. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around. Still in the middle.
Yes.
Perfect. Alrighty. Chin. Okay, I'm gonna have you go ahead and switch places, please. What happened? Now you're looking. His eyes, yeah, pretty wild, right? So how does this work? When we are outside the mystery spot, of course, we maintain our full height. So you have re-entered the real world, gained back your height. You have entered the mystery spot, developed about a 3-degree lean, so you have lost a little bit of height.
Well,
that was mysterious.
Very, very mysterious. For 10 bucks, definitely worth it. We don't want to spoil it for you, so
we're not going to say too much.
Yeah.
But it is $10 per person plus $5 per parking.
A lot of corny jokes, some mysterious anomalies, gravitational things. But yeah, it's fun for sure. If you're in the Santa Cruz area, why not?
Pretty cool. They do suggest you buy your tickets in advance, and they do sell out. They sold out a bunch of things today, even on a holiday. Well, I guess.
Maybe because of the holiday?
Because of a holiday.
Don't know. Okay, next we're gonna go grab some dinner at one of my favorite breweries of all time. So let's go do it.
We are here at the Santa Cruz portal, and inside of the brewery they have a pizza place. It's called Bookies, and they build themselves as inauthentic Detroit style pizza. We got the green olive and spinach pizza. It comes with a green olive cream sauce, like 4 different kinds of cheeses, fresh spinach, green olives, and Aleppo pepper on the top. It looks amazing. Let's see how this tastes. Wow, there is a crunchy cheese all over the crust. The dough is super soft and squishy and nice. The cream sauce is like decadent to the nth degree, but it's got this bright, almost citrusy flavor from the olives that is so balanced, so delicious. Oh my gosh, I love it.
The beer I'm drinking is called Past Remembered. It is a barrel-aged saison with aged whole hops. That is a magical aroma. A little bit of oak, but mostly some wild yeast, some mushroomy, horsey notes. It's just stellar. But I expect nothing less from here.
How about something sweet to wrap things up? We're here at Marianne's Ice Cream. They have something like 120 flavors, so big decisions. And it was a tough one. I ended up with a double scoop with Oregon blackberry and macadamia nut. Oh my gosh, whole macadamia nuts, rich and creamy macadamia nut ice cream. That is ridiculous. But it's good with the blackberry too. That blackberry is just like summer in a cup. It is bright, fruity. It's the perfect end to this day.
Well, that was a fun last minute thrown together 24 hours in Santa Cruz.
I think we had some fun, ate some good things.
Checked out a mysterious spot. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up down below.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. It's the best way you can support our channel.
And we'll see you in the next one.